Welcome back, nature lovers. Today, we have a special treat for all the adventurous souls out there. We're diving into the world of off-road exploration and wildlife encounters, and what better way to do that than by visiting some of the most breathtaking national parks? But wait, we have a twist. In this video, we're going to uncover the hidden gems, the cheapest national parks to visit overall. Hey fellow wildlife enthusiasts, I'm Jenny, and together we're going on an off-road journey to discover the most affordable and awe-inspiring national parks in the country. We all know that exploring nature can sometimes put a strain on our wallets, so today we'll not only cover park fees, but also dive into the costs of hotels, flights, and rental cars. Let's find the best budget-friendly parks that won't break the bank. Our first stop on this wallet-friendly adventure is the stunning Badlands National Park in South Dakota. With its otherworldly rock formations, vast prairies, and abundant wildlife, it offers an incredible experience without draining your bank account. Here in the Badlands, you can embark on exhilarating hikes, capture breathtaking photographs, and even camp under a star-studded sky, all at an affordable price. The entrance fee for a private vehicle is $30, and camping fees start at $22 per night. As for accommodation, the nearby town of Wall offers budget-friendly hotel options starting at $60 per night. If you're flying in, the closest major airport is in Rapid City, and rental cars can be found for as low as $40 per day, making it an accessible destination for budget-conscious nature enthusiasts. Next up, let's venture to the heart of the Rocky Mountains in Colorado, where we find the splendid Rocky Mountain National Park. Known for its towering peaks, picturesque lakes, and diverse wildlife, this park provides an unbeatable experience without emptying your wallet. At Rocky Mountain National Park, you can tackle scenic drives, embark on breathtaking hikes, and even witness the majestic elk rutting season. The park charges a $25 entrance fee per vehicle, and camping fees start at $26 per night. S Park, located near the park, offers a range of accommodation options, with budget-friendly hotels starting at $70 per night. For those flying in, Denver International Airport is the closest major airport, and rental cars can be found for as low as $30 per day, ensuring an affordable and memorable adventure. Last but certainly not least, we head south to Texas, where we stumble upon the hidden gem of Big Bend National Park. With its vast desert landscapes, winding canyons, and star-filled skies, this park offers a budget-friendly escape for those seeking adventure. At Big Bend, you can explore the Chisos Mountains, take a scenic float down the Rio Grande, and even marvel at ancient Native American rock art, all without breaking the bank. The entrance fee for a private vehicle is $30, and camping fees start at $16 per night. In the nearby town of Terlingua, you'll find affordable hotel options starting at $60 per night. If you're flying in, the closest major airports are in Midland or El Paso, and rental cars can be found for as low as $35 per day, making it an off-road enthusiast's dream come true. So there you have it, nature lovers. These are just a few of the many budget-friendly national parks waiting to be discovered. Remember, experiencing the wonders of nature doesn't have to cost a fortune. By planning your trip wisely and considering affordable options for park fees, hotels, flights, and rental cars, you can embark on an unforgettable adventure without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining me on this off-road wildlife expedition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, stay wild, and embrace the off-road spirit.